Okay, I've just installed a solar lights. What is this? Is currently charging at the moment using what do you call this? Solar panel. Yeah, I just hang it inside my house, close to my window. When the sun is out, it will automatically charge. And the good thing is it is using a remote control. Such as this, you can turn on and off using a remote control, right? So it's gonna be very bright. There is also different modes like auto mode. I'm not quite sure what this auto mode means. Maybe it's detecting motion, but I don't think it's detect motion. I'm not sure. And this is a full mode. What do you call that? Yeah, it's quite bright. There is also reduced brightness. Let me press. This is the lowest brightness. The biggest brightness, let me see. This is the brightest I can go. Okay, so because it's remote control, I can connect this solar lights with my this called switchboard remote, so I can do this like call Google to, hey Google, switch on my solar lights. I never press anything.
Alright, turning on the solar light.
Yeah, hey Google, switch off my solar lights.
Sure, turning off the solar light.
Yeah, so I'll have free lights charged by the sun in my room. I'll put all these cables, right? There's some access cables over there. I'll just pull the cable up and use cable trunking to cover it up so that it will not be so untidy. Most likely I will put it on top here instead of on the side so that it's shining down instead of sideways. Yeah.